Welcome to this training session on installing pull-type, blind, rivets. Pull-type rivets are also called blind rivets. To understand how to install a blind rivet, it is important to know the terms in this drawing. The stem is inserted in the pull-type rivet gun, which once activated will cause the head to expand as seen in the fourth cell of this picture. Blind rivets come with four types of rivet heads. They are universal, 100 degrees flush head, 120 degrees flush head, and NAS 1097 flush head. It may be argued that a blind rivet is easier to install than a solid shank rivet. Blind rivets, as the name implies, are often used in places where getting to both ends of the rivet may not be possible. That said, the FAA's AC 43.13-1B Acceptable Methods, Techniques, and Practices publication states the following limitations. They cannot be used. 1. In fluid-tight areas. 2. Intakes, aircraft control surfaces, hinges, hinge brackets, flight control actuating systems, wing attachment fittings, landing gear fittings, on floats or amphibian hulls below the water level. For metal repairs to the airframe, the use of blind rivets must be specifically authorized by the airframe manufacturer or approved by a representative of the FAA. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.